Hello, this is Mr. Loreline with your weekly roundup for Literature 8 from September 28th until October 2nd. So, on Monday we're going to finish up the video that we began on Friday to compare and contrast the video version of Charlie to the short story, Flowers for Algernon. We're going to have a bunch of cahoots to go over some literary elements and some things that we see and that we have seen in the past few short stories that we've read. And then of course we're going to have a quiz on Tuesday for Flowers of Algernon. Now this is Unit 2 that we are going to begin, and a lot of the stuff we're doing in Literature 8 is going to coincide with what students are going to be working on in their language arts class, and so this is a career unit. So we're going to be reading some pieces of text that go over the different jobs that are doing really well at this moment, while other jobs that are not doing well. On Thursday, we're going to be going over the writing technique called RACE, where students restate their answer, give their answer, cite textual evidence, and explain their answer. On Friday, we're going to watch a short little video with Steve Jobs, and then of course you use that writing technique, RACE, and be answering that question on Google Classroom. So that's your weekly roundup for this week.